Hey guys, welcome to the 93rd C# tutorial that I'm making for the new Boston. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use the ListView Control a little bit more. We're basically going to be removing items, and I'm also going to show you how to use checkboxes along with the ListView. So you're pretty much just going to need everything that we used in the previous tutorial. And the first thing that we're going to do is add another option to our context menu that says remove selected items. So now we're just going to double click on this so that it'll create an event handler for when we click on this. Alright, and we're basically just going to copy this code right here because we can use the remove method inside the ListView item class. So since there is a remove method inside of the ListView item class, we can just do lvi.remove. And this, it just removes the item from its associated system.windows.forms.ListView control. So basically, it will just remove this item from the ListView. So it'll go through every item that is selected, and then it will remove the selected items. So now when you debug, we just add a few items here. Alright, so now we just right-click on it. Remove selected items. It'll remove one item, or it can remove multiple items. You can also remove a whole bunch of items at once, or every item inside of the ListView at once. So in order to do that, we're just going to use the clear method. So right here, we're just going to go up and we're going to type remove all items. Double click on this again. And there's a clear method inside of the ListView class. So we can just do listview1.items.clear. And this will basically just remove all of the items inside of this items collection right here. So every item that is in the ListView, it will just be removed or deleted. So now, no matter how many items we have inside of our ListView, it will remove them all, even if we don't have them selected. So when we click this, it should remove them, even though we don't have any items selected. Yep. Now I'm going to show you how to add checkboxes to your ListView. And in order to do that, just go over to the Properties panel and change checkboxes property to true. And basically, this will just put a little checkbox right in front of your ListView item. So now, when we add some more items here, you can see there's a little checkbox right in front of the item. And we can check that, however, nothing's going to happen right now. And we can use that as a check. So if we wanted to remove all of the checked items, we could do that as well. So I'll just add another button right here. Let's call it remove checked items. Keep this bar capitalized. Alright, so basically we can just go through every item inside the ListView and check to see if it's checked. And if it's checked, then we will remove it. So we're just going to say for each ListView item, LVI, in ListView, then we're just going to remove it. So but first we have to check to see if it's checked or not. So we're going to say if it's checked. So if the ListView item is checked, then we will remove it. Alright, so now when we debug here, just add a few items. We check this item, it should remove it. We check both these items, it should remove both of them. Yep. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. So, see you guys.